All right, check this one out. We just got it. 2017 Escalade in the white pearl, the iridescent pearl tri-coat. This does have a lifetime standard powertrain warranty, covers your whole drivetrain for as long as you own it. The only catch is you just have to maintain it. You know, change the oil on a regular basis, fix it when it breaks, stuff of that nature. Well taken care of. If you take a look at the front clip, it has 3M over the entire front end. So the whole front bumper, the leading edges of the door, the front edges of the hood, and front fenders. Take a closer look there. You can kind of see the edge of the tape right there. Very nice. WeatherTech mats throughout. Does have twin Blu-ray DVD players, sunroof. 74,559 for miles. Does have heads-up display. Navigation, heated and cooled seats. Hidden storage. Wireless headphones and remote. Second row buckets. Second row heated seats. Full power lift gate with power folding third row seat. Give me a call if you want to check it out.